Hey everyone, it is the Natureman, and thanks for tuning in to another Natureman adventure. Today, we're gonna go through this wild, grassy field to get to an incredible location that has a chimney from an old home site, whatever it might have been at some point in time. I've been to this location before a couple of times. It's an amazing location, but today we're gonna go back and we're gonna heat up some food that I cooked up last night. We're just gonna have a good time. We're just gonna go out there, hang the hammock, and just relax, have a good day. But first, we gotta get through those weeds. All right, folks, let the adventure begin. Alrighty, here we go. Like I said, this grass is up pretty thick and tall. Hasn't been maintained at all. Just where the gate is, just where the gate is back behind me, the grass was cut, but going through that section there, not at all. It is a beautiful day. It was a little breezy where I parked my car, so I put my hoodie on and I've got some extra layer for comfort just in case I need it. There is views of the pond down this way. We're going to check that out as well. But yeah, let's go check out this location and see how it's doing. It's been, gosh, over a year since I've been here. Beautiful, beautiful place. Look at those woods there. I do have bug spray with me, and we will put that on as needed, but right now I have the hoodie on, like I said. Wow, look at this place. It is so nice and green. All right, you get past that grassy field and opens right up. I have noticed some trees that have fallen on this path that weren't here last year. So, you know, nature changes everything. I want to come back and check things out. Well, we're almost there, folks, but check this out. This tree here actually looks like two trees. Yeah, two trees, maybe even three. Yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3. Wow. Check out the texture, though. This is crazy, folks. So this has been sitting here and rotting away for a little bit. And as you can see from up here, it's being held up there. So let's duck. And then I got to get over this. Oh my goodness, folks. Oh, look at this. Wow. Yeah, she's actually still looking pretty good. I mean, I'll tell you what, folks. These old stone chimney stacks made of stone truly stand the test of time. I mean, look at this. This thing is doing awesome. And looks like we have an alien watching us today. Here we go. All right. So I am going to get myself squared away over here, and I'll bring you guys back in just a few. Right, oh, you're right there. Always watch out for these spider webs. Alright. Try this again. Wait. Never said I was pretty doing this. Okay. Yay, I think I got the right side. Oy, this is gonna be close, folks. This is going to be close. high enough on both sides to make it work. Let's see. Okay, there we go. I'm going to remove the straps. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Let's get inside and check it out. Boy. All right, you all have a great day. I'll catch up with you later. Have an awesome one. Just kidding. We gotta cook up some food. This off. All right, so I never said I was going to be chef extraordinaire out here. Well, let's see how this goes. Okay, not bad. I mean, it's not hot. Messy. I still got to use that pan pot to make some coffee afterwards, but this is what real life is like, folks, when you're out in the woods cooking up a meal. So, I'm going to finish enjoying this, and then I'll come back and go from there. So let me talk about that titanium pan that I have. I purchased that last year through Amazon. It's lightweight. I think it's like 5.6 ounces or something like that. And I purchased it because of its lightweight and the ability to cook food quickly. What I didn't realize was that the handle that it came with would create this imbalance when you put it on the alcohol stove or the butane stoves. It doesn't sit level or centered. It doesn't sit centered. So you have to maneuver around that. So as you see, I took the handle off. Now that does pose another risk for me, that when I'm cooking, as you saw, I'm handling it with my hands, and I was trying to use the pliers and that wasn't working. So I think what I might need for that is the gripper. There's like this gripper that you can use for pans and whatnot. But I don't know if I want to pick that up. I think I would rather pick up a better frying pan that is deeper, because this one is just too shallow. As you can see, I can't hold all the food in there that I want to cook. So I think I want something that's a little bit bigger in size and a little bit deeper, so that way I can really cook up the food properly and for the portions that I have, which it really wasn't a lot, but that pan just can't handle it all. So those were just some of the thoughts that I had for this adventure so far today. I'm going to be sitting back and kicking back and relaxing, having this coffee, and then I'll bring you back, you know, maybe when I'm ready to pack up, or show you some other things around here. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. That's part of the adventure too, folks. When I get out here, I'm not really sure what's going to happen, what I'm going to be doing, what I'm going to be showing you. But I hope that you are enjoying this adventure so far on this beautiful, gorgeous day. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, folks, so before I head on off back to the trail, I just wanted to show you something, the well, and then an additional foundation that we have over here. So as you can see here, we have the well, and there's an iron ring around it, and it's lined with stones inside of there. Now, I'm not sure how well you guys can see inside of there, but there is some trash from people who have been here before, but you can definitely see the stone line, and I'll try and take a picture to show you. So what piqued my interest, of course, is there's the well right there, and the path that I was just on that leads back to where I was laying in the hammock. But then as I took another look around, I saw all of these young looking trees, and that caught my attention. And here's another pipe. This is not a stick, this is a pipe. Check that out. Yep. Looks like some slate. Oh yeah. Ooh, little rod of buggies, look at that. Ooh, look at those buggies. Well, I don't want them buggies on me. Alright, put that back down. Alrighty folks, I hope you've enjoyed today's adventure, revisiting this location I was at last year, just to see if anything has changed along the way, and just bring you this home site that is so fascinating, and whatever history goes along with it. As always folks, stay tuned for all the adventures, whether I'm out hiking these trails and showing you these home sites, or just simply relaxing videos to showcase, to help you relax throughout the day, or whatever else comes to my mind. Stay tuned for all the adventures, and remember, if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. It does help the channel, and subscribe if you love this content. Alright, until then, I'll see you along the trail.